Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you guys how to fix the issue when Roblox encounters an unrecoverable error. So if you receive a message similar to that which says that Roblox encountered an unrecoverable error, there are a few steps you could follow to resolve it. So firstly, open up your favorite internet browser. If you're using Google Chrome, just follow along and click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, then choose Settings. Then, on the left-hand side, choose Privacy and Security. Now, under the section that says Security and Privacy, click on Cookies and Site Data. Just scroll down until you see the option that says See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, go back to your browser's search box and then type Roblox. After searching for Roblox, you're going to see the website roblox.com displayed. Just click on the trash can icon next to it, then click on Clear to clear the cache for Roblox. Once you've done all of those things, go back to your desktop. Now, on the bottom left-hand corner, go ahead to your search box and then type Run in order to launch the Run application. Now, type this following string in the Run box, including the % symbols, by the way. Then this will open a folder. In the address bar at the top, click on App Data, and then open up the local folder. So find the Roblox folder on your computer, and then delete the entire Roblox folder. Don't forget to empty your recycle bin afterwards. Now we're going to open up the settings on our computer. Click on the search icon again on the bottom left-hand corner, type Settings, and then we're going to open the Settings application. Scroll down to the App section, type Roblox, choose it, and uninstall Roblox from your system. Then we're going to re-download the entire Roblox application. We can do this by going to roblox.com/download and then click on the large green download button. After downloading the installing launcher, launch it and then install Roblox on your system. Now we're going to fix the compatibility settings in order to double check all the errors for launching Roblox. Type Roblox Player again in the search box on your lower left corner of your desktop. Right-click on the Roblox Player application, choose Open File Location, and this will take you to the install folder of Roblox. Simply right-click on Roblox Player, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and in the Settings section, find the option to disable full screen optimization. Simply check the box, click Apply, click OK, and then restart your computer. Now, go ahead and launch your computer again and try launching Roblox to see if you aren't encountering the error message. We really hope this tutorial helped you out, and if you have any other questions or concerns with these steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.